Listen, sure, it seems silly, earth and water. We all like earth, we all like the water. But when it comes to plumbing issues, not the best thing for you. So I wanted to share this tip with you. Listen, when you're looking at homes, make sure you know where the cleanouts are. Make sure your home has proper cleanouts. Also, make sure you know the difference between your house having a raised foundation versus slab. Why? Because the plumbing issues will be vastly different between these two. But one of the most important things to really look at on your house is the cleanouts. Make sure your home has good cleanouts. That could be a real big problem for you later if you have plumbing issues. So know your cleanouts, make sure they're in the best working order, make sure you have the proper cleanouts on your house, especially if they're investor-owned units.